Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to transfer money from your Binance app to your Bitget wallet. So the first app you have to open is your Binance app. So this is the interface of my Binance app. Tap on your portfolio, tap on take out, tap on withdraw. Okay, select the USD you're working with, you want to withdraw. So I'll be tapping on searching for USDT. So now this is it. So I have to enter this information, the address of the app that I'm transferring money to and the amount that I wish to transfer. So for that reason I have to go back to my Bitget wallet. So it will take time to load, so just allow it. So the next thing I have to do on my Bitget wallet is to tap on the wallet here, tap on receive, on receiving. So the next thing I will do is to search for USDT. Okay, so this is my USDT, and remember you can change the network if you want to. You can change the network. If you don't want that, change the network to the network that you're using on the other side at your Binance. So I'm using TRC. Please make sure that the network and the USDT is the same thing to avoid having any issue. So make sure your network is the same thing. So tap on receive, select USDT, then copy the link, go back to your Binance app, on your Binance app you can long press to paste your address that you copied. Okay, then the immutable match, select the networks, make sure it's the same network with the network you already have there. Okay, I'm taking, remember I choose Trump the other place, so I'm using it here too. So the maximum amount, write the amount that you wish, amount of USDT that you wish to withdraw. Then now you can now tap on withdraw. So after tapping on withdraw, it will send you to confirm your identity, that you're the person that own the Binance app is the person that wants to withdraw from it. So after confirming your identity, the money will be transferred to your Bitget wallet. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so let's get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.